another FFW for Brooks, Bucks, Chester, Lehigh, and Montgomery.
Urban areas, highways, plus. At 5:32 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy.
What the heck is it going on? Like, what is this?
1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1.
Come on, WXL39. It's raining.
Crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross the road. Find an alternate route. Flooding is occurring or is imminent. It is important that.
Bro, I hear WXL.
Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely.